Hi guys, it's Ray with Ray's Turquoise Turtle. Today we are going to do a full wrap water slide. I'm going to be using the HIIPOO brand water slide decal paper. They were kind enough to send this to me, and I found I really like it. So, we're still on full-on winter mode here in New York, and I was trying to get some images printed because we're gonna have a couple really nice days towards the end of the week, but I really loved this and I just could not wait till the end of the week, so I kind of snuck out and sprayed it last night. So I have a white spray painted tumbler here, and I'm gonna get this soaked in some water. I'm soaking it in a Dollar Tree cookie sheet because I don't have anything else deep enough to, not deep enough, big enough to soak a full wrap currently. So my water's a little cool, so it's going to take a little bit longer to release probably, but that's fine. So I just was very like, ooh, summery spring vibes. Yes, please. So I'm going to set a paper towel under this. I just really like this particular image. I got it on Creative Fabrica. I will put a link to the image down below. I will put a link to the water slide paper down below. I'm just trying to do what I can while the weather permits, and you know, see if this is starting to get ready yet. And I think we're good. So I'm going to line this up. I don't really want to spill this, but I'm going to try and line it up right to the top because I don't really want a white lip at the top of this cup. So the bottom I can cover, the top not so much. So sometimes I wish I had 3 hands. And that looks pretty much perfect. So I'm just going to pull the paper underneath and slide the cup. I could have printed this mirrored and pulled the backing off the other side, but I did not. I printed this at about 8.2 by 9.3, so I have a pretty close to perfect seam. I could have shaved a little tiny bit off, but that's not going to bother me at all. I am quite pleased with that. So I have one of these little squeegee brushes from Dollar Tree, or that came with a Turner or whatever. They're all the same. They're just like makeup applicator brushes. That's what I'm going to use to push any water out from under my water slide, any bubbles. I'm not really feeling any bubbles because that went on really nice. So yay. I'm just going to make sure the bottom is pinned down. This one did not have a layer of resin on it. Because it's a full wrap, you're not going to see any seams or anything. So it's fine to do it that way. If it was pieces of water slide, do it over a layer of epoxy. Don't do it just onto the spray painted tumbler. But for a full wrap, that's perfectly fine. So I'm going to let her dry. Miss Beach Life Messy Bun. I'm going to let this dry, and then I will be back. I'm going to let it dry for several hours because it's a full wrap. So I will be back in a couple of hours to get some epoxy on top, and I'm probably going to use my Touch of Neon sheet. So I'll be back. Okay, she is dry and ready for epoxy. I'm going to put a little bit of my Touch of Neon Diamond Dust in my resin. Not a ton, but just enough to give it a little glitz. You know, just one of these little scoopers full. Should be plenty. And I apparently got rid of my stir stick already. So I'm just gonna mix that in. This is from It's Pretty Personal. Part of the cheat line. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this on here. Just brightens everything up and gives it a little bit extra. Look how pretty that is. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna let her dry. Isn't that glitter just so pretty on here? It just makes everything pop a little bit. Just gonna hit it with my torch quick. Although there's really not much bubbly in here. So I'm gonna let her dry, and then this will get 2 more clear coats, thin coats, and that'll be it. I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll let you have a close-up of it. Okay, so I'm handling this with gloves, even though it is dry, just because it is so fresh. But look at how that neon looks over this background, dark blue, almost to black. It is spectacular. But then over the white, it's just got that little hint of color. I absolutely love this. I really do wish it was beach time, because I'm about over winter here. So there you go. Beautiful, beautiful wrap. Full water slide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.